अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। मेरा टॉपिक है, आज का टॉपिक है प्रोबेबिलिटी। प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है? चांस ऑफ अकरेंस, यानी किसी चीज़ के हैपन होने के चांसेस कितने हैं। तो अगर किसी चीज़ के हैपन होने के चांसेस देखने हों तो ऑटोमेटिकली इसका मतलब है कि किसी चीज़ के बारे में एम्बिग्विटी हो सकती है कि क्या वो हैपन हो भी सकती है या नहीं हो सकती। उसके लिए सर्टेन और इम्पॉसिबल होना भी ज़रूरी समझना पड़ेगा। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, एक आपके पास एक जार है और उस जार में 10 ब्लैक बॉल्स हैं। तो अगर आप उस जार में से एक बॉल निकालेंगे तो ये चीज़ सर्टेन है कि वहाँ पर ब्लैक बॉल ही निकलेगी। लेकिन अगर आप उस जार के अंदर 5 वाइट बॉल्स भी डाल दें तो फिर जब आप एक बॉल निकालेंगे तो हो सकता है वो वाइट हो या ब्लैक हो। अब यहाँ पर दो चांसेस हैं कि एक बॉल जब आप रैंडमली निकालेंगे तो आइदर इट मे बी वाइट और ब्लैक। So let's see some examples. We learn how to write the probability of an event, कि एक इवेंट जो है वो क्या होता है और उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कैसे लिखी जाती है। तो हमारे पास ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं, जैसा कि टॉसिंग अ कॉइन। अगर एक कॉइन हमारे पास, ये मैंने डिफरेंट आपके पास 6 ऑप्शंस रखी हैं। हम ये देखते हैं कि इसमें टोटल ऑप्शंस कितने हैं। हेड, टेल, इसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6। इसमें हमारे पास जो बॉल निकाली जाएगी वो वाइट और ब्लैक। इसमें हमारे पास जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो क्या है? रेड, ब्लैक, ग्रीन और वाइट। Here again 1 2 3 4 5 6. What are these things? Here is a pie chart of colors of cars seen by a person: red, black, white, green. So if you see a random car, so its color may be red, black, green or white. Here is a pointer. Here is a pointer fixed on the dial, and dial contains 6 equal regions made in the hexagon. So if we spun this pointer, so this pointer will stay in any of these regions. And this is the table also includes information. X represents the books read by the students. So 2 books read by 3 students, 3 men. 3 books read by 5. So likewise this information is given. So how we can write the probability of appearance of a head? So its rule is, how many heads are there? 1. And how many total possible outcomes is 2. So this is the probability of head. Secondly, probability of tail will also be written by 1 by 2. What is the probability of even? If we roll a die, so what is the chance of appearance of an even number on the upper face of die? So how many evens are there? 1 2 3 and total population is 6. That may be simplified as 1 by 2. Similarly, in this situation there are 8 balls, 3 white and 5 5 white and 3 black, 5 white and 3 black. So what is the probability of a white ball? That will be 5 by 8. What is probability of black ball? That will be 3 by 8, because how many black balls are there? 3. So likewise we can write the probabilities of single events. What is the probability of a red car? So how many red cars are there? There is no number given. We will see the angle in the pie chart. What kind of angle is given? Red cars will take angle of 30 divided by 360 will be simplified by 1 by 12. It means out of 12 cars there will be one red car. Similarly, the pointer stays in region 3. So its probability will be written as 1 by 6. Probability for the 3 books, so that is there are 5 persons out of 10, 1 by 2. So these are the shorter examples. By considering such situations, by noting the way of writing the probability of single event. What is event? Event is the outcome or outcomes about which the probability is to be determined. For example, what is the probability of head? What is the probability of tail? So head is event, tail is event. What is the probability of even? So if we roll the die, so what is the probability that die will show the even number? So appearance of an even number is the event. So I have written some probabilities of single events. This was our first target, how to write the probabilities of single events. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.